Hello guys, today we will understand what is DevOps. If you learned something new, make sure to leave a like and subscribe the channel to motivate me to make more such videos. So, the full form of DevOps is a combination of development and operations. It is a collaboration between development and IT operations to make software production and deployment in an automated and repeatable way. DevOps helps increase the organization's speed to deliver software applications and services. It allows organizations to serve their customers better and compete more strongly in the market. In simple words, DevOps can be defined as an alignment of development and IT operations with better communications and collaboration. So, why is DevOps needed? Before DevOps, the development and operation team worked in complete isolation. Testing and deployment were isolated activities done after design build, hence they consumed more time than actual build cycles. Without using DevOps, team members spent a large amount of their time testing, deploying and designing instead of building the project. Manual code deployment leads to human errors in production. Coding and operations teams have separate timelines and are not synced, causing further delays. Hence, there is a demand to increase the rate of software delivery by business stakeholders. As per Forrester Consulting study, only 17% of teams can deliver software quickly, proving the pain point. So, why is DevOps used? DevOps allow agile development teams to implement continuous integration and continuous delivery, which helps them launch products faster into the market. Other important reasons are: first is predictability. DevOps offer a significantly lower failure rate of new releases. Second is reproducibility. Backup everything so that earlier versions can be restored anytime. Third is maintainability, effortless recovery process in the event of a new release crashing or disabling the current system. Fourth, time to market. DevOps reduces the time to market up to 50% through streamlined software delivery. It is particularly the case for digital and mobile applications. Fifth is greater quality. DevOps helps the team improve application development quality by incorporating infrastructure issues. Sixth is reduced risk. DevOps incorporates security aspects in the software delivery lifecycle, and it helps reduce defects across the lifecycle. Seventh is resiliency. The operational state of the software system is more stable, secure, and changes are auditable. Eighth is cost efficiency. DevOps offers cost efficiency in the software development process, which is always an aspiration of IT management. Ninth is breaks larger code base into small pieces. DevOps is based on the agile programming method. Therefore, it allows breaking larger code bases into smaller and manageable chunks. Then the question arises when to adopt DevOps and when not to adopt DevOps. DevOps should be used for large distributed applications such as e-commerce sites or applications hosted on a cloud platform, whereas it should not be used in mission-critical applications like banks, power, and other sensitive data sites. Such applications need strict access controls on the productive environment, a detailed change management policy, and access control policy to the data centers. So now let's talk about what is DevOps workflow. A workflow provides a visual overview of the sequence in which input is provided. It also tells about performed actions and the output is generated for an operations process. Workflow allows the ability to separate and arrange jobs that the users top request. It also can mirror the idle processes in the configuration jobs. Now let's have an overview of DevOps principles. Customer-centric action, end-to-end responsibility, continuous improvement, automate everything, work as a one team, and monitor and test everything. You can also watch these videos where I explain the concept of program execution, where I covered the aspect of compiler and interpreter and how they help in the program execution. You can also check out this video where I explain the concept of cloud computing, its types and the services it provides. If you learned something new, make sure to leave a like and subscribe the channel to motivate me to make more such videos.